Hey everyone, I'm at Target. I logged onto the Target Circle app this morning and I saw I had an offer for spend $30 on beauty products and get a $10 gift card. I also have 10 more offers on Ibotta to complete my more moolah bonus. So I paired some items on Ibotta and Target, and if I'm right, this should be over a $20 moneymaker when I'm done. First offer I'm going to pick up is this Nivea Cocoa Butter. These are priced at $5.49 in my store. We have a $2 manufacturer coupon that came out in the Sunday's paper, or you can print one from coupons.com. Then there is a 20% off in the Target Circle app. I'm not sure if that comes off before or after the coupon, so we'll go over that in the receipt when I figure it out. Next item is this Nivea Intense Healing. There is a separate offer on Ibotta for this one. This is priced at $5.49 minus the $2 manufacturer coupon and the 20% off in the Target Circle app. After the manufacturer coupon, my total is going to be $3.49 and I'm going to get back $2 on Ibotta. Next item I'm going to grab is this Nivea Shave Gel. I have this $2 manufacturer coupon that came out in the Sunday's paper. These are priced at $2.99 in my store, plus we have a 10% off in the Target Circle app for this product. This coupon is for $2 off of 2 Nivea shave products, so I have to grab 2 in order to use this coupon. I thought that this Target had a shave gel and a shave foam because there's 2 separate offers on Ibotta, but they didn't have the foam, so I just picked up 2 of the gel. I'm gonna have to get another offer, so I'm gonna come over here and grab the Edge Shave Gel for sensitive skin. This is priced at $2.89 in my store, and Ibotta is giving back 75 cents for this one, making it $2.14. Next item I'm going to grab is this Crest Charcoal Toothpaste at $6.99. We have a $3 digital, and the Target Circle app is offering 20% off, and then I will get back $3 on Ibotta. Last offer I'm going to grab in this transaction is this Crest 3D Brilliance toothpaste. These are priced at $6.99. We have a 20% off on the Target Circle app, and then there's a $1 manufacturer coupon that I'm going to use on this one. After the $1, it's going to bring my total down to $5.99 minus the 20%, and then I will get $3 back on Ibotta for this one also. I'm going to pick up a second transaction because I only have 4 more offers to hit my Ibotta bonus. The first item I'm going to pick up is this Nivea Soothing Post Shave Balm. These are priced at $4.99 in my store. The Target Circle is offering 10% off on this product. I'm going to use a $2 manufacturer coupon. It's going to bring my total down to $2.49 minus the 20%, and then I'm going to get back $2.50 on Ibotta for this item. Moving right over, I'm going to grab the Nivea Men Cleansing Face Wash. These are priced at $4.99 in my store. We have a 10% off in the Target Circle app. I have a $2 manufacturer coupon I'm going to use on this one. After the manufacturer coupon, it's going to bring my total to $2.99, and I will get back $2 on Ibotta. Next offer is this Aquaphor Advanced Therapy. This is a 1.75 ounce. This is priced at $4.59 in my store. The Target Circle app is offering 20% off of this. And then I have this $2 manufacturer coupon. I print it from coupons.com. After the coupon, my total will be $2.59, and then I will get the 20% off, and then I'll get $1 back on Ibotta. The item I'm going to pick up is free after you get your rebate back. This is a Kind Nut Butter Bar, priced at $2.49 in my store. The Target Circle app is offering 20% off of this, and then I will get back $2.25 on Ibotta. So after the discount and my money back, it should be a slight little money maker. So this is the first transaction I'm going to do. This is the spend 30 get a $10 gift card. These are all the coupons I'm using. I'm picking up this Edge that doesn't have a coupon. And then this Crest 3D White, there's a $3 digital on the Target Circle. And then for the second transaction, to complete my 10 offers and get my $20 moolah bonus on Ibotta, I'm going to pick up this and use this coupon's for this one, and this coupon's for this one. I'm going to go ahead and go to the register, and then we'll go over the receipts when I get home. Okay guys, so I made it back home. I'm going to go ahead and go over the second transaction receipt first because that's the way I submitted it to Ibotta. In the second transaction, I picked up the Edge, the Nivea Post Shave Balm, the Cleansing Wash, and then the lotion and the Kind Bar. This is the second transaction. So here's the first receipt. The Kind Bar was priced at $2.49. The 20% took off 50 cents. Brought my total down to $1.99, and then I got back $2.25 for this on Ibotta, plus a 10-cent any item rebate. Gave me back $2.35, making this a 36-cent moneymaker. The Aquaphor was priced at $4.59. The 20% took off 92 cents. Brought my total to $3.67. I had a $2 printable coupon from coupons.com. brought my total down to $1.67, and I got back $1 on Ibotta, making this item 67 cents. The next item was the Edge Shave Gel. No coupon, no discount. It was $2.89, and then I got back 75 cents on Ibotta, making this $2.14. Then the Nivea, this is the either one. It doesn't really say which one it is, but they're priced the same way. Priced at $4.99. The 10% took off 50 cents. I had a $2 manufacturer coupon, brought my total down to $2.49, and then I got back $2.49 on Ibotta for this one, making it a 1 cent moneymaker. The next one is the cleansing face wash. Another product was priced at $4.99. 10% took off 50 cents, brought my total to $4.49. After this manufacturer coupon beeped, but she did push it through, so it shows up as a store coupon. Took off $2. It brought my total down to $2.49, and then I got back $2 on Ibotta, making this product 49 cents. So my subtotal came out to $11.53. With tax was $12.79. I got back a total of $8.60 for these. And then I got back a $1 bonus for buying 2 Nivea products. And then I got a $1 bonus for buying 2 Aquaphor products in 2 separate shopping trips. So I bought one of these a while back, and then I got one again today. So I got that $1 bonus, giving me a total of $10.60 back for these 5 items. So here's the receipt for the second transaction. My first item was $5.49. $1.77 of this product went towards the gift card, so it'll take it away, but then it'll give it back to you at the end. The 20% comes off after the total for the gift card is subtracted from the total of the product. So $5.49 minus the $1.77 that went towards my gift card brings the total to $3.72, and then the 20% will come off of the $3.72, taking off 74 cents. Making this item $2.98 minus my $2 manufacturer coupon makes the lotion 98 cents. Same exact thing for the second one. It was $5.49, $1.77 went towards the gift card, so 20% off of the $5.49 after the $1.77 comes off. So taking off 74 cents brings my total for this lotion to $2.98 minus my $2 manufacturer coupon made this 98 cents. The Nivea shave gel, there's 2 of them. I'm going to explain it once because they're the exact same thing, just like the previous 2. This is $2.99. 97 cents went towards the gift card. So after the 97 cents comes off, it's $2.02. 10% off of that $2.02 takes off 20 cents. Brings my total to $1.82. And then I had a $2 manufacturer coupon, making that negative 18 cents. It's for the same for the second one. So one of the Crest toothpaste, they're both 4.1 ounce. They're both 3D whites. So this one was priced at $6.99, and so was the next one. $2.26 went towards the gift card. So $6.99 minus the $2.26 makes it $4.73. 20% off of that $4.73 takes off 95 cents. Brings this one to $3.78, and then I had a $1 off, making this one $2.78. The next one is same thing, $6.99, $2.26 went towards the gift card, 20% off of the $6.99 after the $2.26 comes off, and then I had a $3 manufacturer coupon for this one, making this one 78 cents. Then you're charged for that $10 gift card down here, but like I mentioned, it takes off all of these totals from the item to equal the $10, and they give you that $10 gift card. So my subtotal was $17.16 for this one. And then I got back a total of $14 on Ibotta for this transaction. And then here is the $10 gift card that I got. So in my first transaction, I got back $10.60. I got back $14 in my second transaction. I got this $10 gift card. I got a $20 bonus on Ibotta for completing 75 offers this month. I only needed the 10, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Subtotal for both transactions was $28.69. With tax, it was $31.49. I got back $54.60 in rebates, making all of this a $23.11 moneymaker. The spend 30, get $10 back at Target is a really good deal this week, especially if you compare a bunch of items to get more rebates back on Ibotta on top of your gift card. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Here are all the rebates I got back. When I scanned my receipt to Ibotta, it picked up the Nivea Shave Gel as 2 offers for $4. When I got my money back, it only gave me back $2. So I did contact customer service. If the rebate resets before customer service gets back to me, I'll just resubmit my receipt for that extra $2. The rebate wasn't set to expire, so I should have no problem getting that money back, either from resubmitting my receipt or from customer service.